through the good times and the bad times. You and your car have been through everything together. For those times when you have to leave its side, give your vehicle the security it deserves with BLACKVUE's parking mode. Through motion and impact detection, your BLACKVUE records and stores videos whenever it detects a visible movement or an impact. In both cases, your dashcam uses buffered recording to generate a video that includes the seconds before the event, which can be used as evidence in case of an accident. BLACKVUE's Power Magic kits and batteries allow you to power your dashcam while your ignition is off, preserving your vehicle's battery. And in case you are parked near a busy street or even trees swaying in the wind, select BLACKVUE models allow you to define areas of the screen that motion detection should ignore. If you're away from your car for an extended period of time, you can maximize your dashcam's recording time and power efficiency with time-lapse mode, allowing you to record and quickly review multiple days' worth of footage on a single micro SD card. Each 1-minute time-lapse video covers 30 minutes. Unlike conventional time-lapse modes, in the event of a quick hit and run, your BLACKVUE will record a regular buffered event video with audio that includes the moments just before and after impact. With BLACKVUE's parking mode, you can rest assured that your vehicle is safe even while you're away.